Welcome back, folks. If you can make it with ground beef, you can make it with ground venison. Tonight, we're going to be making one of my family's favorites. I grew up calling it American chop suey. Some people call it goulash. Either way, it's delicious. But first, I need you to click on the like button below and the subscribe button below. And then if you want to get notified when I put out new content, go ahead and click the bell icon as well. Let's get started. This is a very simple meal to make. Our ingredients are really simple. We've got up to 3 cans of Campbell's tomato soup. That's going to be to taste. We've got a red bell pepper cut up. We've got an onion, sweet yellow onion cut up. And we're going to add in just a little bit of bone sucking sauce seasoning rub and KC butt rub, along with our macaroni, elbow macaroni, and the star of the show, ground venison. So we're going to start by getting a pot of water boiling. We're going to add some olive oil to it just to make sure that things don't stick. So you guys just proved the adage wrong that a watch pot doesn't boil, because as you can see, it's now boiling. So now we'll go ahead and add the macaroni. And get that stirred in there a little bit so it doesn't stick to the bottom right away. Okay, and a trick that I learned from Cowboy Kent Rollins is to check to see how hot the skillet is. Just put your hand about 5-6 inches above it. If you can hold it there for about 5 seconds and you got to pull it back, it's at about the right temperature. So our skillet is nice and hot now. We can go ahead and throw in our venison. We'll start with this. And the flavor is in the sizzle. Now with the meat browned up, and this venison is smelling wicked good. Notice not a whole lot of grease in there. I'm going to go ahead and pitch in my onions and my red peppers. Cook that up all nice and good. All that flavor going together. While the macaroni continues to boil over here, stir the macaroni to make sure nothing is sticking on the bottom while the macaroni is done. We'll add some of our bone sucking sauce seasoning. Not much. And a little of our KC butt spice rub. That is smelling good. Once the timer goes off, we're going to drain the macaroni to the colander. Now add in our mixture here. Spoon out the rest. Just gonna mix it all in. We're gonna add in a couple of cans of tomato soup. Thanks again for joining us, folks. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you would, go ahead and click the like and the subscribe button below. And if you want to get notified each time I upload a new video, go ahead and click the bell icon. Until next time, I'm Hodge the Hungry Hunter, urging you, keep cooking.